Everybody loves their toolbox except Darren. You'll get yours. He's such a whiner. We have a very important week. I just found out, day before yesterday, your hero, Bill Goldberg, will be here on Friday. A few months ago, Bill had gotten in touch with one of our clients, which is the cool thing about growing the way we have been, is you don't know who's talking to who out there. And Bill ended up calling me, talking to me about his very first car that he's ever owned, a 1968 Plymouth GTX convertible. Big Bill Goldberg, okay?
Bill Goldberg was a huge idol of mine. He still is. And the fact that I get to meet him is, I mean, what do you say?
Bill Goldberg's going to be here on Friday. He's flying in at noon, and you get to pick him up at the airport. Bill
cool.
Grandkids are gonna love it.
Big Bill. Me and him gonna have a few wrestling moves together.
William
I used to watch porcelain.
Goldberg.
His middle name is me.
I used to watch Portland wrestling all the time when I was a kid. I know all those moves. I know about body slam.
Bam!
Yeah, do it. Do him. Stone Cold him. Stone Cold him. I'm hoping that maybe while he's here, yeah, we're going to obviously do a beautiful job on this car, and that's why he entrusted it to us. We're the best in the world. Maybe he'll show me a couple of wrestling moves. I mean, I grew up wrestling, watching wrestling.
I think the only move Mark knows is please pass the potatoes and gravy. You know, Bill Goldberg has a nice car out there in the shop. It would be real pretty when it's done. I really haven't looked at it much, but it's a nice car.
Big Bill.
I'm gonna bring Hulk Hogan down.
Yeah,
with me.
put him over. Yeah.
Come on, Darren.
You guys do something different.
Come on, no, buddy. I know Goldberg could kill me.
Let's go make
I know
history.
this.
It's October here at the graveyard, and we always like to have a little Halloween fun. So this year, I put Holly and Darren in charge of the festivities so I can concentrate on the cars that need to get done.
Hey, I like your mask. That's really
I got
adorable.
some pumpkins.
Really?
Yeah.
Where'd you get them at?
I got them from Trader Joe's.
Where's that at?
It's by Oakway.
That's not how we do it.
Oh.
We go to the pumpkin patch and get them each year.
What?
Pumpkin, P-U-N-K-N, pumpkin
Pumpkin.
patch.
Pumpkin.
Pumpkin patch and get pumpkins. We want organic pumpkins without full of fertilizers and antibiotics and pollutants and contaminants and stuff like
Well, that's
that.
why I went to Trader Joe's.
This isn't an antibiotic-free pumpkin.
Yes, it is.
Take that pumpkin back where you got it.
Oh. I don't know what to say.
Like, take it back. We're gonna go to the pumpkin patch.
What?
We don't want those pumpkins.
You don't want this pumpkin?
We don't want either one of those pumpkins. Keep your pumpkins.
I can't believe you just broke my pumpkin. What?
I did. Take them back. They're no good.
Oh my
You
God.
got issues.
I am running out of patience with Darren. Look at my pumpkin.
Here at Graveyard Carz, I am the pumpkin masker. I accidentally drop her pumpkin, and she goes all berserk and crazy on me. You know, I think maybe we should have done a further background check on her to check into her past, because she's got some violence and some rage issues going on there.
It's payback time.